Massive fire attacks have been launched at the manpower and military equipment of the 14th and the 93rd Mechanized Brigades of Ukrainian Armed Forces near Dvorechnoye, Balakleya and Kupiansk in Kharkov region. The enemy has lost up to 150 Ukrainian servicemen and over 10 units of military equipment. Combat and temporary deployment positions of the 25th Airborne Brigade, the 9th National Guard Regiment, the 56th and the 61st Mechanized Infantry Brigades of Ukrainian Armed Forces, the 103rd Territorial Defense Brigade, Kraken Nationalist Group near Zoryanoye, Nikolaevka, Kryvaya Luka and Rai Alexandrovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Kamyshevacha in Zaporozhye region and Ternovka in Nikolaev region have been struck by operational tactical aviation, missile troops and artillery. 4 missile artillery armament and munitions depots near Seversk and Rygorodok in Donetsk People's Republic and the cities of Kharkov and Izum in Kharkov region have been destroyed. 1 Ukrainian combat vehicle for Uragan MRL